super good.
Yes, super good. Yeah, I really like his technical combos. Very good
Yeah,
power. So that feel like it was my first time listening to him. So very surprising beatboxers, a lot of crazy combos, very technical. So that's his strongest points, I would say. And apart from this, the structure was okay. Good execution, I would say, as a whole. And what I really like about this elimination is his smart and funny transition at
yeah,
145. I don't know if you've noticed it. When he starts to make fun about his dry mouth.
Dry my floor.
Yeah,
yeah.
strongest points, I would say. Yeah, do you agree with all what I've noticed, Bigben?
Yeah. I don't have a lot more to add. Um, he had a lot of different sounds in his elimination, which is always good to do.
Yeah.
Um, he, s- I feel like some of them were a bit wasted. Like he just did it once and we didn't hear them again.
Hmm.
But overall, it was really nice. And yeah, the combos he's doing at the beginning are really, really nice. I really enjoy them.
Yeah. You mean like maybe he didn't emphasize that much the sounds? He could like maybe use them in another round, highlight them more.
Yeah,
Yeah.
something like this. Like he used a sound at the end of the his round. He did it only once. The sound was good, and then the elimination ended.
Oh yeah.
And and the thing is, maybe he could have kept this to make a surprise during a round. You know,
You mean
like
at the end?
yeah, at the end, maybe
Can we
last ten
watch it
seconds.
again? Yeah.
Yeah, exactly this one.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a special
Ex-
sound, crazy sound.
yeah, exactly this sound.
Yeah.
I reacted like, oh, this is nice, and he did only once. But next time I will hear it, I will not be like, oh, this is nice. I will be like, okay, finally,
Yeah.
finally, you show me something else with it.
Yeah.
So he's losing the wow effect of a sound for nothing because it will not.
Have the same impact, right?
Yeah, and it will not change his elimination that he does it or not.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
It's not enough of a change or uh, enough or crazy enough to do like a big change on his elimination because he only used it once. But at the same time, no, there's not at the same time. It was the end of the sentence.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
he use it. He can just not use it and do something else, and his elimination would be exactly the same.
Hmm.
And he
Yeah.
will have one more bonus for
One more Joker. Yeah.
a round during a battle.
Yeah, I agree with what you're saying. Like, it's not as game changing as a
Exactly.
special
Yeah.
sound like this
Yeah.
can brings. The energy is still the same. Like your very hard combos. We are very entertained.
Yeah.
And yeah, we are surprised, but yeah, we forget it very fast because it's the end, and yeah, you showed enough, I would say.
Exactly.
Yeah, the camera showed enough.
Yeah.
So yeah, I agree totally with what you said. Is it like a Discord? How would you say? No. Yeah, let me reformulate it. Is it like a tendency that you can see on Discord that people tends to show in the less time possible the most combos they can do, or do you disagree with that?
I'm not going enough on Discord to judge this,
Yeah.
but I can say that it's a tendency that we always had in Baal.
Hmm.
Like in 1 minute 30, there's always so much things that's going on that now it's normal for us to do this, you know.
Yeah.
Sometimes I'm working with musicians that are not beatboxers, and they don't know anything about beatboxing, the beatbox scene, sorry. And every time we are structuring a music, I'm like, oh, and maybe we can change this there and there and there, and they're like, oh, but you do so many changes. Let's just enjoy and do
Ah,
what
yeah.
we like. And but this is something that people were already telling me years ago when I was doing bells and when I was younger.
Hmm.
Like, why don't you do two times the same things if you like it?
Yeah.
And I think we just don't take the time anymore. And it started already when we started beatboxing in bells, but now there is so much more techniques that um, it becomes normal to know 21 sounds and put 19 in one round of 1 minute.
Yeah. Like the beatboxer are expecting so much on what you can do. Like they want
Yeah,
changes every 2 bars maximum. So
exactly,
so yeah, that's why
exactly.
it's this
And
this kind of tendency. Yeah, I agree.
and to answer your question in one sentence, I don't think it's because of Discord. I think it's just the whole competition that's
Mm.
like this.
Yeah.
1 minute 30, it's really a small time, and people are getting better and better. So we need to show more and more in 1 minute 30.
Yeah, but it doesn't ensure you to pass, right? To show
What?
to varying your game, so to change every 2 bars, for example, it doesn't ensure you to go to the next step, right?
It depends how you do it. I mean, it depends how good you are. If you show only good stuff, yeah, of course you will pass
Yeah,
thanks to this. But you will have no more cardio for your bells
yeah, yeah.
because we will know everything about you.
Mm-mm. So yeah, it's a way of balance. It's a question of balance.
Yeah,
What you
it's a
want to
question of
show.
balance, exactly.
Yeah. How much stuff do you have, and what you can use as a in one round to have enough for the next rounds, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, true. All right, okay. Just to clarify what I was saying about like the Discord tendency, it's just because we are online, and I think people has less time, are less patient than when we are in live. So in my opinion, I think beatboxers tends in on Discord online tends to go very fast in the key points and doesn't not enjoying, but doesn't let the time to share their music as a whole. Just
Yeah.
yeah, more techniques, but yeah, that's just my opinion. All right. As improvements points, what you will say? So we already said some,
Take
but
your
yeah,
time.
yeah. Take your time.
Take your time. Don't show too much. Um, yeah, just
Yeah,
this,
yeah.
because everything is nice. The sounds are nice. The sounds are good, and just take your time and don't show too much.
True, true, true. I wrote like be careful with the execution, and sometimes less is better. Shows that you master what you do is always a smart
Yep.
choice for an elimination to leave like a good impression for the judges and for the audience. And
Yeah.
in this case, yeah, it was okay to go very hard on technique because he was one of the most technical participants, I would say. So he could
Okay.
stand out from the crowd. But yes, thanks to that. But yes, be careful with the execution.
Yeah.
But
And
yeah,
as Fee is saying in the chat, sometimes it's more of a show off. Like we want to show the skills we have.
yeah, yeah. It's a showcase and
Yeah.
not a show. I understand. Yeah, the difference. That's the main difference between battles and shows, I would say. But
Yeah.
we won't
And
enter.
elimination rounds should be seen as little shows.
Yeah,
It's like for me, elimination rounds is like your CV, like your resume, your
yeah, yeah.
resume when you apply for work. But here you apply for a top cut in a competition, and your resume is your elimination round. Show me what you can do,
Yeah.
and show me how you do.
And show me
And
why we need to keep you.
yeah, exactly. Give me reasons to keep you in the top cut. And sometimes showing too much, it's not good when your resume is really really good, but you have no experience. For example, it's a bit weird when you have 10 diploma. It's a
ten,
bit
10
weird.
jobs, 10 different jobs. Uh, yeah,
10 jobs in 1 year.
10 passions. Yeah, I understand. You need to, yeah, to show why you are different from the others. In
Yeah,
first, I would
exactly.
say. Yeah. All right. Do you have something else to add, Bigben, about Karma's
Nope.
elimination round? Okay, very nice.
It was really nice.
Yeah, it was very nice. Well done, Karma. We are looking forward to see your progress, and hope these feedbacks will help you. Do you want to make serious progress in beatbox? Click on the link in the description below and join our beatbox school to level up faster than ever.